আচার্য জগদীশ চন্দ্র বসু উদ্ভিদ উদ্যানে এবার মিলবে চারা গাছ। মুক্ত বাতাস, নিরিবিলি প্রাকৃতিক সৌন্দর্যে প্রাণী প্রকৃতি তথা গাছ ভালোবেসে আচার্য জগদীশ চন্দ্র বসু উদ্ভিদ উদ্যান অর্থাৎ হাওড়ার বোটানিক্যাল গার্ডেনে অনেকেই যান। এখানে যতটা সময় কাটানো যায় ততটাই মানসিক শান্তি মিলে। স্থানে দীর্ঘক্ষণ সময় কাটাতে কে না চায়, তাই একটু সময় পেলেই বি গার্ডেনে সময় কাটিয়ে আসার অভ্যাস বহু মানুষের। যেমন মানসিক শান্তি, তেমন চোখ জুড়িয়ে যায় সবুজের সমাহারে। এবার শুধু মানসিক বা চোখের তৃপ্তি নয়, বি গার্ডেনে গাছের চারা গত কয়েক হাওড়ায় বোটানিক্যাল গার্ডেন বিভিন্নভাবে সমৃদ্ধ হয়েছে। আকর্ষণ বেড়েছে মানুষের। বোটানিক্যাল গার্ডেনে আসা মানুষ এবার সঙ্গে নিয়ে যেতে পারবেন চারা গাছ।
নিজে চলতে শুরু করে দেবে। তো চেষ্টা করছি, আশা করছি আমাদেরকে গাছটা পচে থাকবে।
আর কি কি অনুষ্ঠান রয়েছে, আজ কারা কারা উপস্থিত হয়েছে?
আজকে আমরা যে আমাদের গার্ডেনটা মেন ম্যান্ডেট যা হয় থ্রেটেন্ড স্পিসিসকে মাল্টিপ্লাই করা। তো ওটা ওই আপনি ডিফারেন্ট নার্সারিতে যখন দেখেছেন, আরও দুটো অন্য নার্সারি আমরা যাচ্ছি, ওখানেও কিছু ওপেন হবে সেডনেট হাউস, পালি হাউস, যেখানে আমরা এই এন্ডেমিক অ্যান্ড থ্রেটেন প্লান্ট স্পিসিস যা গাছটা পপুলেশনটা কমতি হয়ে যাচ্ছে ওয়াইল্ডে, ওকে সিডটা নিয়ে আসে এখানে মাল্টিপ্লাই করে আম লোককে দেওয়া, ফরেস্ট ডিপার্টমেন্টকে দেওয়া, ডিফারেন্ট রিসার্চ অর্গানাইজেশনকে দেওয়া, এটা মেন মোটিভটা হচ্ছে। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Hello.
So it's a great honor for me to be here in the Botanical Garden today, because under the able leadership of Dr. Mao and very nicely executed by the staff of BSI led by Dr. Davendra Singh, we have taken some very important initiatives. One of the most important is the sale counter that we have created in the garden, and that will enable people to purchase very nice and healthy plants at a low cost and take them to their homes, and that's a very effective way of propagation of these species that we are cultivating here. Another very important initiative is the tea garden section that was inaugurated today, and very few people know that the origin of tea in India starts with this garden. In this garden first tea was cultivated, and then it was taken to different parts of India, including the lower reaches of Himalayas and other places. So it is very innovative of BSI to have started this garden, and this will really spread the message about the kind of work that BSI used to do and is taking ahead in such an effective manner in the years to come. And this garden holds special significance because it holds more than 5,000 species which are vulnerable all across India, and so it is a very valuable repository of our biological heritage, and which is conserved here in this garden. Even though this garden is huge, there has been so much of efforts taken to preserve it and to even advance the cause of botanical conservation through effective methods. And one of the other initiatives which we inaugurated today was the poly houses and the germination chambers, which were a part of the assistance to botanical scheme, in which we are trying to propagate species which are very vulnerable, like the way you saw the red sanders and the other Dalbergia in the Western Ghats, which are very vulnerable. And the scientists have done a wonderful job in able to propagate them from seeds, and you saw how healthy they were now, and now they will be given to forest and the other people so that they can be propagated, and hopefully these will not remain vulnerable anymore because of the care taken in their conservation and their propagation by BSI. So I thank you all for being here today. Yeah.
Garden inside baby feeding zone.
Yeah, that's we have under the leadership of Dr. Mao, because we get so many visitors. How many visitors do we get?
We got in a year about 6 lakhs people.
6 lakh people, and we really and they are actual users of the garden, people who are affected by the garden. So we had Dr. Mao had taken the initiative of starting the cafeteria, which is a very big hit, because we don't allow people to carry food and plastic inside this garden. So this cafeteria became a very good center for people to really take a rest, take a breather. Then so many more benches and water facilities, and also the baby feeding stations, because young children, mothers, they should also be able to to be able to enjoy the garden at their in their own comfort. So this is the reason why that those were started, and they're excellent facilities, I'm told, because inside they're very nice. So those are excellent initiatives taken by this garden, and this garden has seen such a huge facelift, and the development that has happened in this garden from what it was like, even 5, 6, 7 years back. It's really tremendous, not only in the facilities it offers to visitors, but also in the conservation work, which is really the thrust of BSI. So that is really, really worth commendation. And Dr. Mao has done a wonderful job with his able leadership of Dr. Devendra and Dr. Swami, who are here. And it's really been a very magnificent journey, and really, and something India can be proud.